Welcome students. Let's continue with the principles of electricity. In that we are in the last part, that is problems on AC principles. In the last class we have covered AC principles. Along with that we have also studied RMS value, average value, peak to peak value of an AC, everything, right? Now we will try to solve the problems on the AC principles. As I have already told you people, please take a book and pen and start solving problems with me. Otherwise it will be difficult for you people to solve the problems in the tests or in examination. See, these are all very simple problems. You should be knowing the formulas well, that's all. If you leave these problems in the exams or test, you will be upset for sure, because easy questions, easy problems, easy things we should not leave in the examination and come, that will hurt a lot. If it is a difficult thing we couldn't solve it, no problem, but if it is an easy one, electronics is only the easy subject, so you should be always scoring highest marks in electronics. Okay, and also we have very simple problems in electronics, so be steady, concentrate on the classes so that you can score very good marks in the electronics. Okay. Now we will continue with the problems on AC principles. The first problem, find Vm, Vpp, Vrms, V average and frequency of the given waveform. This is the waveform given, it is a sinusoidal waveform. What and all is given? First solution, what and all is given? Vpp, Vp or Vm, whatever you can write. Vm is equal to, that is peak value of the voltage, that is 1 volt, and time period is given. This is our time period T, time taken to complete one cycle is 20 milliseconds, and that's all is given. So from this we have to find out Vm, we have already know. So Vm is equal to 1 volt, we found it out. Vpp is equal to 2 Vm, we have a formula. Vpp in the sense, this distance is our Vpp. So Vpp is equal to 2 Vm, 2 into 1, that is 2 volts, and then Vrms, we have a formula. Vrms is equal to Vm by root 2. Root 2, 1 by root 2 value is 0.707 into Vm is 1 volt, that is 0.707 volt. Next, V average, the formula for V average is 2 Vm by pi. So 2 into 1 divided by 3.142 you can put and calculate that with the value. The answer will be 0.637 volts. What and all Vm they have asked? We got the Vm, also Vpp, Vrms, V average, and they have asked for a frequency. F is equal to 1 by T, that is 1 by 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3. It will be equal to 1 by 2 is 0.5, that is 50 hertz. Calculate it using, if 10 to the power of minus 3 goes to the numerator means 1000 by 20 it is. So it is 50 hertz is a frequency. Okay. This is how we are going to solve the problems. We will solve some more problems. The next one is calculate Vm, Vpp, Vrms, V average, time period and frequency of the given waveform. See, here they have given the distance of T by 2 actually, then T value will be 2 microseconds. What and all is given? VPP is given from here to here, that is 2 volt, 3 volts, and T by 2 is given, that is 1 micro seconds. Therefore, Vm is equal to VPP by 2, that is 3 by 2, 1.5 volt it is. Okay, and then V average VPP already given, that is 3 volts. Vrms is equal to 2 Vm by root 2, 0.707 into 1.5. Calculate it and keep the answer. V average is equal to 2 Vm by pi is the formula. 2 into 1.5 divided by 3.142, somewhere around 0.9 something you will get. And then time period, capital T is equal to 2 into T by 2 is given 1 microseconds, that is 2 microseconds is the time period, and frequency F is equal to 1 by T, that is 1 by 2 microseconds, micro in the sense 10 to the power of minus 6. So that will be 10 to the power of plus 6. Calculate it. That is 500 kilohertz. Is the frequency. It is 0.95 volt V average, and this will be around 1.06 volt. You people will be having calculators with you. Please calculate and put the answer. Okay. The next problem, determine the time periods of the waveforms having frequency of 50 Hz and 100 kHz. Just direct for this, frequency is given 50 Hz, you have to calculate the time period for this. 1 by F 1 by 50, that is T is equal to 20 milliseconds. Okay, for this also same thing, T is equal to 1 by 100 kilo, T by 100 into 10 to the power of 3 it is. Calculate it and keep the answer. 10 to the power of minus 5, then 10 microseconds I guess. Calculate and keep it. 10 to the power of 5 will be, it will be 1 into 10 to the power of minus 5 it will be, then time period will be 10 microseconds. The next problem, what will be the frequencies of an AC signals having the time periods they have given, that is in the previous problem they have given the frequency. Reciprocal of frequency is time period, or reciprocal of time period is frequency. Here they have given the time periods, you have to calculate the frequency, that is T, F is equal to 1 by 20 into 10 to the power of minus 6, 10 to the power of, put that many zeros, divided by 20, 50 kilohertz it will be, frequency will be 50 kilohertz, and here F is equal to 1 by T, 1 by 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3, it is 0.25 to 500 hertz, sorry, 200 hertz. Next one is, I guess people are following, these are all very easy problems. Directly you should put the formula and substitute and calculate it. The angular frequency of a waveform is 1000 pi radian per second. Find its frequency and time period. Angular frequency in the sense W omega, it is 2 pi f. You have to calculate the frequency and time period. The formula for angular frequency is 2 pi f. F is equal to omega pi 2 pi, that is 1000 pi divided by 2 pi. Pi gets cancelled. 500 hertz is the frequency. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. You should be knowing this. F is equal to W by omega by 2 pi. You have to substitute 1000 pi, completely 1000 pi. If you forget the pi, then the answer will be different. And time period is equal to T is equal to 1 by f, that is 1 by 500. 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 2, then it will be 0.20. 200 hertz, 200 milliseconds, it will be 200 milliseconds. Next one is calculate VPP, VRMS, V average frequency of an AC waveform. Okay. Waveform is missing here. Given peak voltage, I will only draw the waveform. Write down the waveform. Peak voltage is given, that is 5 volt, and time period is given, that is 20 milliseconds. Calculate the VPP. VP is given, that is 5 volt, and time period is given, that is 20 milliseconds. VPP is equal to 2 VP or 2 VM, 10 volts. VRMS is equal to 2 VM by root 2. M is 10 divided by root 2, that is 0.707 into 10, that will be equal to 7.07 volt is the VRMS. V average is equal to 2 Vm by pi, 2 into 10 divided by 3.142. Vp is nothing but Vm here, is also equal to Vm, you can call. Calculate it and put the answer. 6.37 somewhere around you will get volts. Then frequency of the AC signal, frequency is equal to 1 by T, again 1 by 20 minus 3, 50 hertz is the frequency. Okay. Next problem is, the equation of an alternating voltage is given by V is equal to 325 sin 314 t. Find the frequency and the RMS value. What they have given, we know the expression for instantaneous voltage, small v you can write Vm sin theta. It can also be written as V suffix m sin omega t. So here what they have given, V is equal to 325 sin 314 t. Substitute it, compare these two equations. Vm is equal to 325 volts, and directly write sin omega t. T is like that only, omega value 314 it is. 2 pi f is equal to 314. F is equal to 314 divided by 2 pi. 314 divided by 3.142, that is 100 into 0.5. 1 by 2 is 0.5, and it will be 100 into 0.5, then it is 50 hertz. Verify it. To find the frequency and RMS value of the voltage frequency, we found it out, that is 50 hertz. And RMS value we have to calculate. Vrms is equal to Vm by root 2 0.707. 1 by root 2 is nothing, 0.707 into Vm is 325. Calculate the Vrms, it will come around 220 volts, somewhere around 220 volts. 220 or 230 volts. Calculate it using calculator and write the exact value. It's okay. If it is 229 something, you can write 230 volts. If the question is like that, you have to write the general equation and compare that with the given equation and substitute the values and calculate the desired values. Next problem is, a 220 ohm resistor is connected to 220 volt sinusoidal 50 hertz supply. That is a AC supply value, 220 volts 50 hertz. Find the peak RMS average values of the current and power dissipated. Here they have asked us to find the current. Okay, so what and all is given? Resistance, that is 220 ohm they have given. 220 volt. Vrms they have given. Whatever the supply voltage is coming, that will be of RMS value. You have to treat that as a RMS voltage, unless they have mentioned that as a peak. It will be, if they have not mentioned anything, that will be RMS value 220 volt. And also we know frequency, that is 50 hertz. What and all we need to calculate is peak value, that is Vm is equal to, as we know, Vrms is equal to Vm by root 2. Vm is equal to root 2 into Vrms, that is, calculate it, root 2 into Vrms is 220 volt. Calculate and write the answer. Next is Vrms, they have asked, that we know already, that is 220 volts. Average value, V average is equal to 2 Vm by pi. Vm you will be calculated, or you can also write 2 root 2 VRMS divided by pi. Substitute the VRMS value 2 root 2 into 220 divided by 3.142. However you want, calculate it and put the answers. V average. And they have asked for values of the current. They have asked. Okay, Vm, peak value of the current we have to calculate. Im is equal to Vm divided by 220 ohm resistor, Ohm's law. Vm will be 2 root 2 into 220 divided by 220, both get cancels. Root 2 are 1.41 amperes, 1.41 amperes. IRMS is equal to, again same thing, VRMS divided by R, that is 220 divided by 220, 1 volt is the IRMS. And next, peak and average value, I average is equal to 2 root 2 into 220 divided by 3.142 into 220, that is I average is equal to V average divided by resistance value. V average we have written here 2 root 2 into 220 divided by 3.142 into 220. Then it will be I average value you have to calculate using the calculator. It will come around 0.898 amperes. If this problem will be asked, this will be asked for 5 marks for sure. 0.898 amperes. The last one they have asked is, we have calculated peak value, RMS value, average values of the current, and also last one is power dissipated. What's the formula? Power dissipated is equal to VRMS into IRMS only you have to calculate. VRMS will be what was the value of VRMS? That is 220. Given IRMS is 1 volt, then 220 watts of power dissipated. If you find out all the 5 values they have given, you will get 4 values of peak, RMS, average values of the current and power dissipated. For this you will get 5 marks. Okay. Next problem is, a 100 watt electric bulb is connected across 230 volt 50 hertz power line. What is the RMS and peak value of the current flowing through it? They have given the power here. What and all is given? Power is equal to 100 watt and VRMS they have given, that is equal to 230 volts. Frequency they have given 50 hertz. What we need to calculate? RMS, peak value of the current. So P is equal to VRMS into IRMS. We know the formula. Always while calculating the power dissipation we use RMS values. So VRMS given, IRMS I need to find out, that will be P divided by power divided by VRMS. Power is 100 watt and it is 230 volts. Calculate it and write the value of the current. That will come around 0.435 amperes. Next is RMS and peak value of the current. IM they have asked what and all. IRMS we wanted to find it out, we found out, and IM we want to calculate. For IM we need the value of IRMS we have. So IM is equal to root 2 into IRMS you can write, because IRMS is equal to IM by root 2. Root 2 into 0.435 volts. Calculate using the calculator and it will be around 0.614 amperes, and write the calculate by yourself using calculator and write the answer. I guess that's all for today's class. We will solve some more problems in the next class. Please, I am telling it again and again, please solve the problems while watching the video. Once you get to know that we are going to solve the problems in this video, you have to have your book, pen and a calculator to solve the problems. Okay, thank you.